Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Niaje.
Poa.
What's your real name?
Nadia Keril.
And what's your TikTok name?
Drama doll.
Naka poa.
Thanks in advance.
Kausa to the quick 360 jamani. Naka poa sana. Can you tell me something in your mother tongue?
Yep. What exactly do you want me to tell you?
Anything.
Anything. Okay. Jangu tugende kuchalo.
Hiyo ni lugha gani?
I'm from Uganda.
Oh, wewe ni Muganda?
Yep.
Waganda mmeiva jamani.
Maybe. Thanks.
Alright, cool. So, what's your favorite meal?
I like pork.
Pork.
Yep.
Right. Cool. One night stand with a celebrity. What are you going for?
Anji?
One night stand with a celebrity.
Yeah.
I'm a celebrity crush.
No. Because I'm not straight. Yep.
Can you?
I have no celebrity that I have a crush on.
Alright.
That is a stud. No.
Oh, where's some straight? You love girls?
Of course, yes. Wapendi madem.
Okay, pia mimi napenda madem lakini ulijipata. Wewe ni dem jamani.
Of course, yes.
Wasichana mtuachie wasichana.
Tuliwaachia but mlishindwa.
Alright. Ulijipata aje kwa hiyo situation that unapenda tu wasichana?
I never got myself in that. I was in that before.
Like
before then.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are you planning to change someday?
Not really.
Seriously?
That is not in my bucket list. It is even cracking.
Right.
Yeah.
So you'll get married to a girl?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you dating right now?
Yep.
What are the qualities you go for kutafuta mtu?
For me, I just fall in love. Yes, nothing.
Tuangaliangi nini.
I don't look for anything. Looks, money, whatever. No.
Can you do a broke person?
Anji?
Can you do a broke person?
I can do a broke person as long as the person loves me and I have some cash.
Okay.
We can share it.
Hey, uko na pesa wewe?
Not that I have money, but I'm just saying the fact.
Alright.
Yeah, if I have small and she has small, then you can just share.
Wewe ni mzuri basi.
Yeah, and I can tag her. Yeah, I have my person.
Alright. So basi, do you stay alone ama na wazazi?
I stay alone.
How much rent do you pay?
5K.
5,000. Na vile ni mdogo hivi.
Yeah.
Unatoa 5,000 kila mwezi.
I work.
Oh, uko job. Wow. Hard working.
Somehow, yeah, kujituma.
Right.
Yeah.
What advice can you give the girls out here?
That are fame so straight. All the girls.
Hey, all girls.
Work hard.
Work hard.
Work hard. Find your money. So mtu akikupata anakupata na pesa yako, ndio akikuacha pia anasema hata hangaika like nilimpata akiwa na pesa, so when the guy leaves anajua amekuacha na kitu. Yeah,
that's great. Just blow kisses to my fans.
You see?
Just blow kisses.
Okay. I love you guys. You can find me in TikTok, Drama Doll.
Alright.
Yep.
Got 36 ya mwisho tena.
Yeah.
Awesome.